Detoxification, an alcohol-free body. Total body detoxification systems and plans can take many forms, but one of the most popular that individuals typically use on their bodies is a complete alcohol detoxification. In fact, the group Alcoholics Anonymous has been formed in order to help people with the goals of detoxifying their bodies from alcohol completely. This is a very noble goal, but one should be aware that it takes a lot of hard work and dedication. However, one of the reasons that Alcoholics Anonymous is not popular with everybody is because it does not work for everyone. Since this is the case, there are plenty of other ways in which a person is able to complete a total body alcohol detoxification. There are simple and basic steps that should be performed, and they are detailed below. Safe withdrawal. There are many people who live with alcohol dependence for a great majority of their lives. However, alcohol dependence is not the way to live your life, because one is essentially putting themselves as the slave of the alcoholic drink. On the contrary, one needs to make a safe withdrawal from alcohol, as they are to complete a total body detoxification from alcohol. There are many ways to go about doing this, but the best and most safe way to do so would be at an alcohol rehabilitation center. These types of rehab centers do specialize in alcohol detoxification, and one is able to get the best help there also. It is possible to complete this step on your own, and there are many benefits in doing so, but the best way is through a professional and medical rehab center. Cognitive treatment. The next step of a former alcoholic's detoxification is most certainly the cognitive therapy part. Even though many people who are undergoing an alcohol detoxification may think that they don't need anyone's help to get through the process, the detoxification process is a long one. Counselors, therapists, and psychologists of all kinds are all able to help successfully cognitively treat a person who has just gone through alcohol withdrawal in their life. Because withdrawal is a scary process, the medical professional inside rehab centers will be psychologists much of the time. Life planning. This last step of alcohol detoxification involves discussing one's life plans with their counselor, other therapist, or life coach. A life coach is a person who is able to help you get on the right track in order to have a more successful life. This process of the detoxification system will often involve such things as goal planning, career assessments, and being prepared for life after alcohol. All of these steps, though, are vitally important to performing an alcohol detoxification on the body system. Not only does the mind need to go through the withdrawal process, but the body's systems need the benefit of it as well. When combined and used together, the withdrawal process, counseling, and life planning can all be used to create a healthier and alcohol-free person.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.